यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक. You want to know how fun and mad Ranbir and Katrina can be when they are on an interview and not mansplaining or shutting down the mansplaining respectively? Check out this interview on The Quint where the fun, mad Abira Dhar talks to the two before the release of Jagga Jasoos, and they can be seen pulling each other's legs and basically talking about things like what irritates one about the other.
Welcome to Quint with Katrina Kaif, me and नाम बोल जल्दी बोल. तू एक्टर है तो मैं नाम बोल जाता हूँ. नाम बोल जा. हाँ? अभिजात जोशी. क्या नाम है?
Hi, I'm Abira. This is Katrina.
Abira. Abira. Oh, I'm also Abira. You're Abira. I'm Ranbira. Means I actually want to pull her hair, but I'm just trying to pull her leg.
When Ranbir says Katrina will be a great producer.
Should be. I do mean that she'll be a great producer.
Yeah.
I don't think we need you anymore, Abira. We'll just finish this interview and we'll send it to you.
Thanks for the interview. It was great having you on The Quint.
Thank you.
What are you guys
Bye-bye.
Dear ma'am and sir, apologies. I'll be unable to come in today because I have terrible stomach cramps. Sorry. Dear ma'am and sir, apologies. I'll be unable to come in today because I am really unwell. Sound familiar? Well, thank goodness someone else understood that dilemma. Culture Machine, a Mumbai-based company, is the first company to introduce a first day of period leave policy for its female employees. Yay, I say.
Unfortunately, a lot of my female colleagues don't agree and believe that this could be a move that would hamper their rights. What do you think? Do you agree? Do you disagree? Let us know in the comments below, and also stay tuned to The Quint for more updates on this story.
So activists have been crying themselves hoarse about the security risks of Aadhaar for months now, but I think few realize the risk your smartphone can pose to. That's right, a website called Magica PK recently leaked thousands of email addresses, names, and even Aadhaar ID details of existing Reliance Jio users. Now, Reliance Jio has over 100 million users on its network. So if this has affected all its users, it's a major security breach. Jio spokespersons are saying that the leak is inauthentic, but users say it's real. So what's the situation now? Well, the breach seems to be under control, but stay tuned to The Quint to find out more. So it is for the first time in 28 years that a non-Kashmiri has been found involved in Kashmiri terror. That's right, on Monday the Jammu and Kashmir police caught a major module of the Lashkar-e-Taiba or LET in the state, and one of those arrested is a man called Sandeep Kumar who hails from UP. Now, Kumar is the man who's believed to have been behind the recent attack that killed 6 policemen in the state. He's also been behind a spate of bank and ATM robberies across the state. 17-year-old Hafiz Junaid was brutally killed on board the Delhi-Mathura train on the evening of June 22nd. Junaid's body was thrown out at Ballabgarh station, following which cops have been investigating the case, and we hear the main accused has now been arrested. But what really happened inside the compartment on that fateful evening? The Quint's Poonam Agarwal spoke exclusively to Junaid's brother Sakir Khan to find out more. Check out this exclusive interview only on The Quint.
मैं एक अंकल था, 50 के लगभग एज थी, वाइट बाल थे उसके, हल्का सा सर गंजा था उसका आगे से. तो मैं उससे बातें कर रहा, मैंने कहा अंकल आपको शर्म आनी चाहिए, आप ऐसे बच्चों से तुम ऐसी बातें कर रहे हो, झगड़े कर रहे हो, आपकी एज कहाँ पे, इनकी एज कहाँ पे, तो बच्चे हैं, समझदार भी नहीं है इतने, तो आप इनसे. फिर कुछ लोग बोलने लगे कि ये पाकिस्तानी है, ये गद्दार है, ये मीट खाते हैं, ये वो है, मुल्ले इन्हें पाकिस्तान जाना चाहिए. फिर वहाँ से ट्रेन चल दी. ट्रेन रुकती कितनी देर, थोड़ी देर ट्रेन रुकती है, चलते ही बल्लभगढ़ से 1 मिनट ट्रेन चली तो उसने चाकू मार दिया मुझे. यहाँ पहला चाकू बाजू में लगा था, दूसरा यहाँ गर्दन पे लगा था, और जो सारे लोग थे सब गालियाँ दे रहे थे, चाकू लग रहे थे, तो हमें लोग उन्हीं की तरफ पकड़ के फेंक रहे थे कि भाई इन्हें मारो, ये मुस्लिम है, ये पाकिस्तानी है, गद्दार है. तो इस तरीक़ा से माहौल पता नहीं क्या हो गया. तो मेरा जुनैद भाई वहीं ट्रेन में एक्सपायर हो गया था. साउटी स्टेशन है, नेक्स्ट स्टेशन बल्लभगढ़ का साउटी है, तो वहाँ ट्रेन रुकी तो उन लोगों ने हमें फेंक दिया.